Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Dynamic SE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black. To start off with, then you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. You also have 22-inch 5 split-spoke alloy wheels with a grey finish, really complementing against the Santorini black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid. Once open, you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. As well as this, you also have your deployable tow bar controls, and this allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now, this car does have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 831 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need, including this is a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music. You of course also have your 4x4 information, terrain response drive modes, adjustable ride height, as well as your wade sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. You also have a 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. The front seats in this car are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And this is paired with a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Sport 3.0 D300 Dynamic SE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.